How can the camera be changed on BeReal? By posting a BeReal, you mostly will see the back camera. So I click on post a BeReal. I created this account brand new. And now I see the 2 minutes timer and the back camera of my smartphone. BeReal is always posting the back and the front camera at the same time. But I now want to see let's see, for example, my front camera and not only my coffee here. So I click on the twist icon on the right side. So on the right from this white button, click. And now the camera is switching to the front camera and I now see my face. The problem here is that you think now that you only post like your front camera, but it's also taking a picture of your back camera at the same time. So you can switch between them. You can also turn on the light on the left of the white button, but it will take a photo of both of it. So I'm taking a picture now, click, don't move and keep smiling. And it's making a picture of the front and the back camera of the same time. And the timer is also going down from 2 minutes to 0 seconds. So I have to post within this 2 minutes so that there's not written like I posted like 2 minutes late or something like that. So I want to be in time to BeReal. Now I can press on the arrow to the right to post my BeReal.